Hey everyone, welcome to Cloud Sutra. Today we are going deep into something every Kubernetes engineer uses daily, that is kubectl apply. But we are not going to talk about what it does on the surface. We are going inside the API server, the control manager, the scheduler, the kubelet, the full internal journey. So before we start, let me show you the cluster we are working with today. This is the real kubeadm cluster I built from scratch on Rocky Linux with one master node and three worker nodes, and it's been running stable for 2 to 5 days. This is not minikube, this is not a managed cloud cluster, this is a raw kubeadm setup, the same way the production clusters are built. Now let's apply a simple Nginx deployment and watch what happens internally. I have my events watch running on the right terminal. Every single internal event will appear there in real time as I apply. So watch carefully. The moment I hit apply, the first thing that happens is kubectl converts your YAML into JSON and send it to API server. The API server validates it, checks your RBAC permissions, runs it through admission controller, and then writes the desired state into etcd. So now, see the first event, scaling replica set. This is the control manager waking up. It constantly watching etcd for changes. It detected that someone wants one replica of this deployment, and it told the replica set to make it happen. Next, if you see this event, SuccessfulCreate. The replica set created the actual pod object and wrote it back into the etcd. The pod exists now, but it is not running anywhere yet. It's just an object. Now see the next step. It says scheduled. Successfully assigned to Kubernetes worker node 1. This is the scheduler. It looked at all three worker nodes, checked their available CPU and memory, and decided worker node 1 is the best fit. And it assigned the pod to that node. Now the kubelet on worker node picks up the assignment. See, it says pulling Nginx latest image. The kubelet talks to container runtime, which pulls the Nginx image from the Docker Hub or the private GitLab registry. This took around 17 seconds because this is the first time there is no cache exist on the node. And finally, it states created container. The entire journey from your kubectl apply command all the way to running a Nginx container happened in under 20 seconds across 5 different Kubernetes components. Now here is the most powerful part of Kubernetes comes in, that is self-healing. Watch what happens when I forcefully delete this running pod. See this? Killing events fire on worker node 1, pod is gone, but immediately within milliseconds, successfully create fires again. The replicas had detected that the actual state is now 0 replicas, but the desired state in etcd is still 1. So it instantly created a new pod. And if you notice the image pull time, it's 1.5 seconds this time versus 17 seconds before. That's because Nginx image was already cached on this node from a previous pull. The kubectl didn't need to download it again. And with this, we can say that we cannot manually break a Kubernetes deployment. Every time you delete a pod, it comes back. That is the power of desired state model. So that's the complete journey of kubectl apply. From your terminal command to API server to etcd to control manager to scheduler to kubelet to a running container. 5 components working together in seconds. If this video helped you understand Kubernetes at a deeper level, please subscribe to Cloud Sutra. We go deep on real production DevOps here, not just the surface level tutorials.